what's the importance of leading lines? Leading lines will lead your user's eyes into the subject. So when you use leading lines well, when you use it correctly, it's going to take your viewer's eyes right into where you want. Okay, of course there are several ways of doing this, but leading line is one of them, and these are the things that you should be looking for when you create an image. On that image, for instance, we have, look how exactly right, the eyes go right into the subject. Yes, you see the triangles, you see how the heads are against the sky, not against the trees, because if I had her heads against the trees, they would get lost in there in the picture. Okay, see how much brighter they are compared to the background. Manuel is saying here, I see the triangle. Exactly, look at the triangles that we have there. Triangles are pleasing to the eyes, right? You always should be looking to create some triangles. Okay, look at her gown, how her gown is really leading into her at that point. All right, this, guys, is what creates amazing images. Okay, amazing images is not just about one thing. It's a bunch of stuff putting together to create amazing images, and this is what it's all about.